Hello everyone, today's topic is Art Integrated Project Work Assam, Assam State File of Science subject. Now first you have to write the page of introduction, name, class, section, subject and then school's name. Now welcome to Assam. Assam is gifted with varieties of flora and fauna. The forest in Assam can be described. Tropical wet evergreen forests, tropical semi-evergreen forests, tropical moist deciduous forests, tropical moist deciduous mixed forests, subtropical broadleaf hill forests and subtropical pine forests, swamp and littoral forests, grassland and savannas. First is tropical wet evergreen forests. These forests occur in the south part. Holong is the tallest tree and the state tree of Assam. The associated species are Borpat, Jutuli, Sam, Devasam, Nahar, Titachap, Pelu, Mekai, etc. And here are some pictures. Second is tropical semi-evergreen forests. These forests have mostly medium-sized trees with few large trees. Shrubs, orchids, climbers grow copiously. At the fringe, bamboos and canes occupy the space and these are some pictures. Third is tropical moist deciduous forests. Sal forests occupy considerable forest area in the central and lower parts of some states. Sal grows in association with jarul, ajar, gugra, paruli, haldu, sam, bhumora, gomari, athabor, etc. And here are some pictures. Fourth is tropical moist deciduous mixed forests. It is found in the certain areas of Brahmaputra Valley. The trees in this type of forest shed leaves during winter. Sal, Makori sal, Gomari, Bomora, Simul, etc. And here are the pictures. Fifth is subtropical broadleaf forests and subtropical pine forests. These occur in the districts of Kharbi, Anglong and NC Hills. Species commonly occurring are Ben Hanvalu, Antiderma bionis, Betula, Alnodids, Celadon, Speciflorum, etc. Khasi pine are found particularly in the Hamrin subdivision in Kharbi Anglong district. And here are some pictures. Sixth is swamp and littoral forests. They are found along the coast and caves. Twinners and climbers are significant features of littoral forests. They occur in patches and narrow strips along the coastlines. And here are some pictures. Seventh is grassland and savannas. These are grass-dominated biomes and form the major part of vegetation in Orang National Park, Kaziranga, Pobitara, Barnati, Sonai, Rupai, Bura Chapauri Wildlife Sanctuaries and some part in Manas National Park. Grasslands support important wildlife population in Assam and here are some pictures. Now flora of Assam, flora names with pictures. Holong with picture, Ketiki Fool with picture, Polash tree with picture, Kopu Fool with picture, Jutuli Sam with picture, Mekai with picture, Borpat with picture. Tea plantation. Assam is famous for producing the black tea which is made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant. Assam tea is a black tea named after the region of its production. Assam, India. The strong tree grown on the rolling plains by the Brahmaputra river that weaves her way through vales and hills. It is famous for its smooth, malty flavor. Assam has the world's largest concentration of tea plantations in the world. And here are some pictures. Fauna of Assam. Fauna names with pictures. Wildlife sanctuaries. Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary. Kaziranga National Park is a national park of Assam. It is a World Heritage Site. It is famous for heritage of one-horned rhinoceros. There are swamp deer, elephants, wild water buffalo, birds, etc. There are grasslands, tropical moist mixed deciduous forest, tropical semi-evergreen forests, lakes and ponds. And here are the some pictures of this sanctuary. Manas National Park. Manas National Park is a wildlife sanctuary. It is located in the Assam. It is situated on the bank of the river Manas at the foothills of the Himalayas. It is a World Heritage Site. It is famous for tiger, buffalo, golden langur, red panda and species of birds. And here are the some pictures of this national park. Orang National Park. Orang National Park is a national park of Assam. It is located on the northern bank of Brahmaputra river. It has a rich flora and fauna, including Indian rhinoceros, pygmy hog, Asian elephant, wild water buffalo and Bengal tiger. And here are the some pictures of Orang National Park. Bodiyobam Bilmukh Bird Wildlife Sanctuary. It is located in the Dhimaji and Lakhimpur districts of Assam. It is a bird sanctuary. It provides a good home for a variety of bird species like Hirsch Siberian, Tibetan and European winters, aquatic birds, storks, eagles and many more. And here are the some pictures of this sanctuary. Nameri National Park. Nameri National Park is a national park in the foothills of the eastern Himalayas in the Sonitpur district of Assam. It provides habitat for Bengal tiger, Indian leopard, clouded leopard, marbled cat, leopard cat, hawk deer, sambar, barking deer, wild boar, sleuth bear, capped langur, Indian giant squirrel and many more. And here are the some pictures of this national park. Pobitara Wildlife Sanctuary. It is a wildlife sanctuary on the southern bank of the Brahmaputra in Moregaon district in Assam. It provides grassland and wetland habitat for the Indian rhinoceros. This sanctuary holds one of the largest Indian rhinoceros populations. Other mammals are golden jackal, wild boar, feral water buffalo, barking deer, Indian leopard and birds species also. And here are the some pictures of this sanctuary. Garampani Wildlife Sanctuary. This wildlife sanctuary is located in Karbi Anglong district, Assam. It is one of the oldest sanctuaries containing hot water spring and waterfalls and has a rich biodiversity. Many rare birds can be seen there. It is home to Hulok gibbons and golden langurs. And here are the some pictures of this sanctuary. Holangapur Gibbon Wildlife Sanctuary. It is an evergreen forest located in Assam. Its forest used to extend to the foothills of the Patkai mountain range. Since then, the forest has been fragmented and surrounded by tea gardens and small villages. The lower canopy consists of evergreen shrubs and herbs, and here are the some pictures of this sanctuary. Science and Technology. Research Labs of Assam. Northeast Institute of Science and Technology NEIST. Institute of Rain and Moist Deciduous Forest Research, Assam Science and Technology University, Toklai Tea Research Institute, Assam Science and Environment Council, Jorhat Institute of Science and Technology with picture. Thanks for watching.